So in this video, I'm going to go over whether you should use a single product or product groups in your PMax campaigns. Now, previously, I've gone over a structure of a strategy we used to use at the agency, which was a higher ROAS, lower ROAS PMax split. And what this meant is in this higher ROAS campaign, we had single product asset groups of our top performing products in our higher ROAS campaign. And that's because naturally we had higher demand for these products, so we wanted to push these as much as possible. However, what we've seen shifting with Google Ads and particularly PMax is that single product asset groups don't really perform as well as they used to. In fact, when we're reviewing them in our PMax script, we're seeing that a huge amount of the spend was actually being funneled to search and other platforms other than Google Shopping. And that's not where we want our spend to go. So this is going to go over my experience of a test I ran recently as to whether you should use single products or use product groups now. And so long story short is you should use product groups from my experience. Okay, but let's talk about the problem. Why would you even want to use a single product asset group in a PMax campaign? Well, we have a clear winning product and we want to scale it to the moon with Google Ads. That's a great situation to be in, so well done if you're there. But how do we best approach it now we have this winning product? The solution, what we're going to do is test a single product asset group or a product group. What you want to do is not rule it out just because I've said this. You need to test it. And as a marketer, you need to be running tests all the time. You need to form a hypothesis and then you need to prove them right or wrong. Okay, don't go off opinions of other people or yourself. Let the data decide it for you. So let me first of all show you some campaigns I've been running recently. So a lot of this is going to be blurred out. I'm sorry. I like my clients' confidentiality, but I'm going to show you as much as possible. Okay, so first of all, what we have here on the left-hand side here is two PMax campaigns. One was running a single product in its asset groups, and this one was running the product group. So let's see the difference. So first of all, this is the last month's performance of this winning product. This is our winning product here. So we managed to spend €388 and we managed to get a 4.61 ROAS from being in a product group. Okay, and then we go down to our other one, which was running a single product, but we did switch it to a product group. And we've spent €351 and we've only got a 3.14 ROAS. So clearly from this, it is shown to us that this winning product performs better in a product group. So overall, I'm going to keep this video short. That's my sort of recommendations. I recommend you to test it, to not rule it out first, and then you can let the data decide for you. But fundamentally, from my experience across all of Growth clients, is that we've seen better performance within product groups. But that's it from me, guys. If you'd just like to become a Growth client instead of running it yourself, then please go and link in the description. You can book a call with me and my team, and we can go over how we can get you from where you are now to where you want to be with your Google Ads. All right, thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next.